Hey, what's up guys, this is Heavy Lemon Line bringing you on another video, and in today's video I am going to talk to you about, has been a very common problem. So basically all the positive integers add up together will give you negative 1/12. I just learned this from number file and this Eddie Wu teacher. Okay, so basically how we're going to prove this, very simple. Okay, S1, which is sum number 1, is going to give you 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, etc. So basically the answer could be the answer could be 0 or negative 1, because if you see, if you stop like that, it's going to give you 0, right? So minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So what if, so basically this could go on forever. So basically like this is 0, then plus 1 equals to 1, minus 1 equals to 0, plus 1 equals to 1, and so on and so forth. But what if we want to stop at any point in time? So example, say this, what will be the sum of this? So it's 1 minus 1 0 plus 1 minus 1 0 plus 1 minus 1 0 plus 1 1. So basically the answer to this will be 1. But what if you say this? The answer will be 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, which is 0 essentially. So it could be both. So we have to take the average of 0 and 1 equals to half. So S1 is equal to half, as is stated here. Okay, so basically that's proof number 1, statement number 1. Now we're going to move on to statement number 2, which is sum number 2, and we're going to do it like 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8, and so on and so forth. Doesn't stop. Okay, but what we're going to do here is essentially 2s2. So basically 2 of this thing. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is here, but notice I left a blank here. It's not supposed to add up. So basically what will happen is to shift all the numbers to the right by 1 space. So basically it's same thing, but just move it to the right side. Okay, so basically it's 1 blah blah blah, then the second line will be shifting to the right, so 1 will be under 2. So 1 blah blah blah, 1 minus 2 plus 3 blah blah blah. We're gonna get this answer. But if you realize that this is the same as S1, right? So basically 2s2 is equals to S1 essentially. So it's essentially S1. So since 2s2 equals to half, right, which is because this is equals to S1 equals to half, so S1 equals to half. Since they're the same, we have to do the division, and 1s2 will become a quarter. That means this will be a quarter. Okay, 1/4. Let's move on to the final proof, which is the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way until infinity or forever. So we will name it S. Okay, we will name it S. So if you S minus S2, which is essentially this 1 minus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you minus that normally, like just do it normally like this. So basically what you're gonna get is multiples of 4, because see 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 2 minus 2 is equals to 2 plus 2 4, 3 cancels out, 3 because 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 4 8, 5 minus 5 equals 0, so it just cancels out. So it goes on forever like this, and you'll find out is just multiples of 4. Okay, so here I do the wrong working, I'm so sorry about it. So if you realize, this one is basically 4s. And what is s? S is this. So essentially you have just quadrupled the size of this 4 times, right? Can we agree on this? Yes. Okay, so basically essentially it's like that. So it's, if you do the distributive property, so we're gonna go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on and so forth. And we realize that this yeah, is equals to S minus S2. Yes, correct. So 4s equals to S minus S2. S minus S2 is equals to for s. Okay, sorry, I did a bit of extra working just to make sure you guys understand. So negative s2, since we minus s from both sides of the equation, so we're going to reach 3s equals to negative s2. So negative s2 equals to 3s. We're going to shift the negative. s2 becomes negative 3s. But s2 is equals to 1/4, right? Right, 1/4. We have to already establish that earlier, which is here. You can rewind the video if you guys like. Okay, so basically, yes, negative 3s equals to 1/4 since s2 is 1/4, right? We can all agree on that. So basically, negative s equals to negative 1/4 divided by 3. So we have to divide by 3 on both sides. And what is s? You shift the negative sign over, so it becomes negative 1/12. And what is s? S is this. So this equals to negative 1/12. This is theoretically correct because this can cause a lot of controversy, because all these numbers that tend to infinity, they will add up to infinity and not what, negative 1/12, which is technically wrong, but it's theoretically correct. That means this is possible with the above statements and equations. Yeah, so you guys can search up online on this problem. So yeah, this is heavy limit. I bring on another video. Hope you guys like it, and please subscribe to my channel for more new content. Bye.